If you're considering buying Zumper for your real estate property management needs, there are a few things you should know before making that decision. We'll cover 12 essential aspects of Zumper, helping you compare it to its competitors and decide if it's the right fit for you. First off, Zumper is known for its user-friendly platform designed to simplify property management tasks. It offers features like online rent collection, listing syndication, and tenant screening. However, when compared to competitors like Buildium or Appfolio, Zumper's suite is more basic, making it ideal for smaller operations, but potentially limiting for large-scale property managers. The second thing you should know is that Zumper offers an intuitive mobile app, which is a huge benefit for property managers who are often on the go. It allows you to handle tasks like messaging tenants or tracking maintenance requests from your phone. But if you're managing a lot of properties, you might find that the app lacks some of the more advanced features that other software solutions, like Rentec Direct, offer. The third thing is Zumper's pricing structure. It offers a free plan for individual landlords and a pro plan for property managers with more advanced features. However, Zumper's pro plan is slightly more expensive compared to similar offerings from competitors. For larger companies with more complex needs, this might make Zumper feel a little less competitive when compared to all-inclusive platforms. The fourth thing to keep in mind is its focus on tenant-facing features. Zumper excels at helping tenants find apartments, and it offers strong marketing tools. This includes automatic syndication to sites like Zillow, Apartments.com, and Craigslist, which saves you time in listing your properties. However, if you're looking for more in-depth marketing features, you may want to consider platforms like Propertyware that offer more robust tools. Next, the tenant screening process is another area to evaluate. Zumper offers background checks, credit reports, and eviction histories. However, it's worth noting that some users feel the reporting could be more detailed. This is an area where more specialized property management software like Cozy may give you more comprehensive screening results. Another thing to note is that Zumper is highly customizable for small to mid-sized portfolios. Whether you're managing one property or a handful, it allows for customization in things like lease templates, payment schedules, and invoicing. On the downside, when it comes to handling large portfolios, Zumper can start to feel more limiting compared to bigger software systems like Appfolio, which offers more automation and scalability. The next point is customer support. Zumper provides chat support and an extensive knowledge base, but some users report longer wait times, especially when dealing with more technical inquiries. This can be a drawback if you need immediate help, whereas competitors like Buildium or Appfolio are often praised for their faster response times. Another consideration is its maintenance tracking. Zumper does allow you to submit and track maintenance requests, but if you're looking for more advanced features, such as vendor management or detailed work order tracking, you might need to look elsewhere. Other platforms like Rentec Direct offer these features out of the box. The ninth thing to mention is that Zumper doesn't offer accounting tools that are as advanced as some of its competitors. While you can track rent payments and generate basic financial reports, property managers who need deeper financial insights may find Zumper lacking in this department. For a more robust accounting experience, you may want to check out Appfolio or Buildium, which provide better integration with accounting systems. Next, Zumper integrates with third-party applications, but its integrations are somewhat limited compared to other software. For example, if you need seamless connections with popular accounting software like QuickBooks, you'll find that other property management solutions offer better options. The 11th thing is that Zumper does allow for online payments and e-signatures, which is crucial for modern property management. However, these features are often more streamlined and reliable in competitors' platforms, especially when dealing with large volumes of transactions. Finally, Zumper offers decent reporting features. You can generate reports on rent collection, tenant applications, and other key metrics. But for property managers who need more advanced reporting, Zumper may fall short. Platforms like Appfolio offer much more granular and customizable reporting options. So, is Zumper the